Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share super useful tip to make blender last longer than usual. This is 100% foolproof way to increase lifespan of all blenders with no power on or off button and where jar needs to be placed upside down. For example, works for Bella Rocket Blender, Magic Bullet, Nutri Ninja Pro Blender, Cook's 5-in-1 Power Blender, Nutri Bullet, etc. These gadgets are so handy for blending fruit juices, milkshakes, guacamole, dry powders like cardamom powder, blending tomatoes, onions for gravy, etc. If you notice, these are the fins which get wear after few uses. While turning on and off due to friction, if the fins of the jar blade gets worn, jar blade needs to be replaced. Similarly, the motor base. The usual way of blending as per manual is to plug the cable first, then place the jar upside down and twist clockwise. For turning off, twist counterclockwise and take out the jar. Notice the plug is always connected. Here is my super useful tip to keep blender long lasting. This is how I do the reverse engineering. Fix the jar first. Then plug the cable to turn it on. Take out the plug to turn it off or pause. Wait for complete stop. Then plug it on to resume. Repeat the same for every use. Once done, unplug and take out the jar. This way the fins of motor base and jar blade won't get wear. Thus it's the best way to increase the lifetime of the blender. These are few more tips. Don't overfill the jar. Blend not more than a minute in a row. Wipe the motor base top when food spills over. Hope you find this smart tip useful for your blender. See you again with more innovative useful tips and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.